Now, the topic of today is going to be about the night shifts. Look at these pictures. Do these people work in the morning or are they working at night? What's this job? Okay, this is a doctor. Okay, that's good. Look, here we have, this is the doctor. And what about number two? Very good. Ah, that's good. This is ambulance driver. And what about this one? Okay, take. So this one is
Taxi driver
very good, taxi driver.
and
And this is
the waiter.
the waiter. Let's do with an example. Okay, like this one. I take people to the emergency room. Emergency room. Who? What kind of job is this? Now he said, I take people to the emergency room. Yeah, so you have to guess which job is this. Okay, for example, I stand all the night, all the day. You stand all the night. And what kind of jobs do we have here? Ah, very good. We can say that this one, are you a doctor? No, I am a waiter. So the waiter can stand all the day, okay, during the day. All the night, for example, the doctor can stand all the night. Perfect. What about this one? I work at night. Which job and who is working at night? Who help sick? People, very good. So someone works all the night to help sick people. Who? The dog? Maybe the doctor. Okay. I sit all the day, all the night, all the day or all the night. What kind of job do we have here? Yeah? Pharmacy, nice. That's good. I work in a hospital. Who works in the hospital? There is, okay, the doctor or the nurse. The nurse, the doctor wear a uniform, someone who is wearing the uniform. A blouse, trouser, for example, and the waiter, yeah, the waiter is wearing a uniform. Okay, well, who helps sick people? Someone who is sick. Cough, sneeze, have a headache, backache. Who? The doctor. Okay, these are the doctor work with sick people. I work in a restaurant. Who is working in a restaurant? The waiter or the waiter. Let's see a video about people who are working at night and see or discover what these people do. Okay, I want you to look at the pictures first. Which job is this? Guess which job is what? Maybe. Okay, here is a uniform. Maybe she is a doctor. And what about this person? Look what's this and this. It's night. What about the person here? Look at the background of the person here. So which job is this? What kind of job do we have here? Maybe he's a taxi driver and the person he's outside. And here we have what's this? The traffic lights. So which job is this? I want you now to remember the pictures and find the job for each. Okay? What is the job for this woman and the job of this man and the other man? Okay? Now try now, listen and find out what are these jobs. Okay?
People, about 15% of people in the United States, work at night. What kinds of jobs do they do on the night shift? Let's find out. I'm Rachel Park, and I'm standing in front of Memorial Hospital with Ava North. She works here in the hospital. Ava, what do you do? I'm a doctor. Where do you work exactly? Right here in the emergency room. Is it busy at night? Yes, it is. Really? All day and all night. How do you like your job? It's stressful. I work long hours from 11 to 7, but every day in the hospital is different. I like it. Actually, I'm sorry. I have to go. There are 1,800 emergency rooms, or ERs, in hospitals around the country. Each ER has a big staff, including ambulance drivers. Some people come to the emergency room in an ambulance. Trey's an ambulance driver, and he works the night shift. So you're an ambulance driver. Is your job difficult?
Yes, it is. But it's
exciting.
What time do you start work?
I start work at the same time every night, at midnight,
And when do you finish?
at 10 in the morning.
That's 10 hours. You work hard.
Yes, I do. But I take a break at 5 a.m. for breakfast.
Trey usually has breakfast at the Galaxy Diner. It's open 24 hours a day. Trey has a short break, but it's okay. The service at the Galaxy Diner is fast. It's now 5:30 in the morning, and we're at the Galaxy Diner. We're talking with Dwayne. Dwayne, what do you do?
I'm a waiter here. Oh, and I'm also a student.
What are you studying?
Business.
That's great. What's your schedule like?
I go to school from 8 in the morning until noon, and then I study 2 or 3 hours. I sleep until about 10, and then I come here to work. I usually work from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m.
What time do you finish today?
Today is a hard day. On Thursdays, I work extra hours. I start at 11 p.m. and I go home at 11 a.m.
Dwayne takes a taxi home on Thursdays. A taxi like this one. Taxi drivers on the night shift often work 12 to 14 hours. There aren't as many customers, so they work longer hours. This is Gio. Gio drives a taxi at night. Gio, it's 6 a.m. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
What time do you start work?
At midnight, and I finish work at noon.
Wow, that's 12 hours. Is your job difficult?
No, it's pretty easy, really. Sometimes it's quiet, though. Everyone's sleeping at night.
What do you do after work?
I sleep. I go home and sleep for 10 hours.
Sleep. That sounds like a good idea. This is Rachel Park saying good morning and good night.
Talked about 4 kind of jobs which are very important in our country or in any country. Okay, so the first job is doctor. Yes. Second one, ambulance driver. Very good. The third job, a waiter or waiter, waitress or waiter. Okay, that's good. It's a good or it's an important job. And the last one, a taxi driver. Now here is the doctor, here is the ambulance driver, and this is a waiter, this is a taxi driver. That's a good one. Now you get all the answers. So here, these are the jobs we're talking about and we're going to talk about. And now we know the jobs, we know the context, we know what are the most important jobs we have to know. We're going to move to something else, which is discussing the language. What we need actually to know about the language. Now, from the context here, this is the Rachel Park, okay, the woman who's talking. It's 9, she said it's 9:30 at night, and most people are sleeping. So this is good expression again to describe a situation. Now, if we want to talk about this time, we say at this time people are sleeping. Now, that's because most people work during the day, but we have to know that there is also some people who are working at night. That's good. So now here, and sleep at night. So this is what I want you to know. So, but some people, about 50%, this is how do we read this number? 50%, 5%, 10%, P-E-R-C-E-N-T, percent. So ask about job, can go, what do you do? Or what you do? What's your job? Is it clear? What do you do? Ula, what's your job? Clear? That's good. Now, is it busy at night? شنو هي is it busy at night? Okay, that's why one is not enough. Okay, yes it is. She said, yes it is. Really all day and all night. ماشي غير all the night but also all the day. يعني كتعمر بالليل وبالنهار. شنو هي بالليل وبالنهار؟ ها هي بهذاك بلونغلي all day and all night. All day. هنا Rachel again said, how do you like your job? How do you like your job as a question means what? How do you find your job? How is your job? كي دايرة هاد الخدمة اللي كدير. How is that job? Is it a good job? Is it a bad job? Okay, how do you deal with that job? Okay, all to answer all these questions in one answer, which is it's stressful. شنو هي stressful? Stressful. I work long hours. I work long hours. So what do we mean by I work long hours? Should be what? My responses should be long and in the form of what? 3 sentences or 4. Why? It's important to extend your response message there that there is an emergency. So I have to go. شنو هي I have to go, Mohammed? I have to go. قالت لي I'm sorry I have to go. خاصني نمشي. شوف عقلوا على هذا الشيء، راه هذه هي لونجلي صافي، بلا ما تدخلوا، هذه هي لونجلي اللي خاصكم تعرفوا تقولوا I have to go، تعرفوا تقولوا it's stressful، تعرف تعبر على for example I work long hours. I long من إلى from from من إلى. شوف I work from 11 إلى 7 from إلى. Is it clear? That's good to say from to. Okay, is your job difficult? It will be a review of everything we had discussed. Goodbye.